Change. It means to grow, to become something else, to embrace new beginnings and to break existing boundaries. Change. It is a process by which we can become better, stronger, more in tune with who we are and able to shape the environment around us. Sable Chemicals has been Zimbabwe's sole manufacturer of ammonium nitrate fertilizer since 1969, contributing to our status as the breadbasket of the SADC region. Our current shareholders are Masawara at 51%, the government of Zimbabwe at 36%, YZ, the owners of Windmill Zimbabwe, at 11%, and other investors who hold a 2% share. Ammonium nitrate is a source of nitrogen, an essential nutrient for the growth of crops, including maize, cotton, tobacco, wheat, and sugarcane. Ammonium nitrate is also a raw material in the production of compound fertilizers. Change. Our ammonium nitrate fertilizer is not only used for agricultural purposes as a source of nitrogen, but is also used as an explosive for coal mining. Ammonium nitrate is manufactured from ammonia gas, which is currently imported from South Africa. The ammonia gas is ferried from South Africa using rail tank cars following the closure of the energy-intensive electrolysis plant. Sable currently has 100 operational railway tank cars for importation purposes. Where are we going? We are at the forefront of agricultural security for our nation, our farmers, and our government. Sable is currently raising $25 million to double its rail tank car capacity and to refurbish its plant. This will result in an increase in ammonium nitrate production capacity from the current 100,000 tons to 200,000 tons per annum by 2020. What is Sable's proposition to the Zimbabwean economy? Firstly, import substitution. For every ton of imported ammonia gas, Sable produces 2 tons of ammonium nitrate, thus adding significant value locally. This will reduce Zimbabwe's import bill of nitrogen fertilizers by 31%, saving the country valuable foreign exchange. Secondly, jobs. Sable currently employs 300 people and at full capacity has the potential to double this figure, thus creating quality jobs for Zimbabweans. Thirdly, Sable is more than just a fertilizer company. Our contribution to Zimbabwe goes beyond fertilizers. As a local producer, sourcing significant goods and services from local suppliers, Sable touches all sectors of the economy, including mining, agriculture, and industrial chemicals. We actively contribute to the industrialization of Zimbabwe, training apprentices, engineers, and chemists. Our vision is to become the premier fertilizer producing company in Africa. But for us, it does not end there. That vision begins with empowering the communities we serve, uplifting Zimbabwe's new farmers, entrepreneurs, business people, workers, and up-and-coming tillers of the land. What is our future? We will invest $200 million to install an ammonia gas and urea production plant. This plant will enable Sable Chemicals to produce 240,000 tons of ammonium nitrate and 360,000 tons of urea per annum. Our organization does not work in isolation. We are here to transform lives, building our economy, making situations better, and by instituting change. We are actively involved in the local community, having built the Sable ward at Kwekwe General Hospital, which caters for general admissions, resuscitation, patient care, and even pre- and postnatal medical conditions for low-income mothers. Our partnership with Nyaradzo Funeral Services has culminated in a collaboration where we plant trees all over the country, resuscitating our forests and focusing on environmental regeneration. Our training facility at Sable Chemicals is the future, where we bring school children, university students, and aspiring engineers to learn and experience the next generation of engineering technology in Zimbabwe. So we are not just another company, we are Sable Chemicals.